Welcome back to Ruth Finance, the place where we talk about simple, smart ways to build income online. Today's video is all about something that's honestly changing the entire online business game. That is ChatGPT. Now I know what you're thinking. How can a chatbot actually help me make money? Well, the truth is ChatGPT is way more than a chatbot. It's like having your own 24/7 assistant, business partner, and creative powerhouse rolled into one. And the best part, you don't need any startup money. You don't need fancy tech skills. You don't even need to show your face online. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the easiest and most realistic ways to make money online using ChatGPT. And no experience required, so grab a notebook or open your notes app because these are the ideas that people are already using to make money anywhere from a few hundreds to a few $1,000s a month, all powered by AI. So let's get started. So one is freelance writing, where you build a profitable online business even if you're not a writer. Let's start with one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to make money online, that is freelance writing. Now, before you think, but I'm not a writer, that's the beauty of it. You do not have to be one. With tools like ChatGPT, you can create high-quality written content for clients, blog posts, product descriptions, or even email newsletters without having years of writing experience. And here's how it works. There are thousands of businesses, blogs, and online stores that need written content every single day. They usually hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to do the writing for them. But instead of only relying on those sites, the smartest move is to build your own freelance website, a place where clients can contact you directly, see your services, and trust your brand. And that's where Hostinger comes in. With Hostinger, you can easily set up your professional website for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per month. Choose a simple WordPress theme, add a few writing samples, describe your services, and you look like a pro from day one. Click the link in the description to sign up with Hostinger today and start building your freelance writing website. And now once your website is live, it's time to turn it into a client-winning machine. Here's a simple yet powerful workflow. Start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm engaging blog topics perfectly tailored to your client's niche. Next, ask it to craft a detailed SEO-optimized outline that sets the foundation for a high-ranking article. Then generate the full post section by section and ensuring every part flows naturally and captures the reader's attention. Finally, review, polish, and deliver the content with confidence, ready to impress your clients and showcase your professionalism. This process saves you hours, boosts quality. You can start charging $30 to $50 per post and scale up to $100 as you gain experience and testimonials. The best part, you'll be building your own online writing brand, not just another freelancer on a crowded platform. So if you're ready to turn writing into a real online income stream, start today by setting up your freelance website with Hostinger and use ChatGPT for content writing. And 2, start branding and content agency with ChatGPT. If you want to level up and create something that feels like a real business, this one is for you. You can use ChatGPT to start your own mini branding agency. Think about it. Every new business needs a name, a slogan, a logo idea, a brand story, or a website. ChatGPT can help with all of that in minutes. For example, if a client wants an open coffee shop called Morning Bloom, you can use ChatGPT to suggest better or similar names, write a catchy slogan that fits their vibe, craft a warm and engaging brand story or about us section, and even create professional social media bios that make their brand stand out. Once you have all the content ready, you can use Canva to design a beautiful branded presentation or PDF to deliver to your clients, even if you're not a designer. When you've packaged your services, start promoting them on your own website, Instagram, or Facebook entrepreneur groups. You can easily set up your professional website with Hostinger to showcase your portfolio, list your services, and attract clients. And I've included my Hostinger link in the description so you can get started right away with discounted hosting fee. You could charge around $100 or more per branding package, depending on what's included. The best part is that ChatGPT lets you create professional, quality branding work efficiently and confidently, helping you build real business from your own phone or laptop. And 3, sell digital products created with ChatGPT. This is one of my personal favorites because it can turn into passive income. You can use ChatGPT to easily create and sell a fitness planner that helps people stay motivated and organized on their health journey. Start by deciding your theme, for example, a 30-day home workout planner or a fitness and nutrition tracker. Then use ChatGPT to generate all the content you need. You can ask it to create a 4-week workout schedule, daily meal planner layouts, motivational quotes, and progress tracking ideas. Once you have your content, head over to Canva, choose a planner template, and design your pages with your own colors, fonts, and style. When your design is ready, export it as a PDF. Your digital product is now complete. To start earning from your fitness planner, upload it as a digital product on Shopify, where you can easily create your own online store and start selling right away. Use ChatGPT again to help you write a compelling product title and description that attracts buyers. Once your store is live, promote your planner on social media, Pinterest or YouTube by showing how it helps people stay consistent with their fitness goals. With just your phone or laptop, ChatGPT and Canva, you can turn a simple fitness idea into a professional digital product that generates passive income while helping others live healthier lives. So are you ready to start your own online store? Click the Shopify link in the description to sign up and begin selling digital products today. It's free to start and the easiest way to launch your fitness planner business. And 4, create and sell online courses or mini tutorials. You might be thinking, but Ruth, I'm not an expert in anything, and that's totally okay. With ChatGPT, you can create and teach like an expert without years of experience. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to research, organize, and script your lessons for mini online courses or tutorials. For example, if you want to teach a class on how to start investing online, simply use ChatGPT to create a full course outline, breaking it into lessons that cover topics like understanding stocks and EFTs, build a beginner-friendly platform, and setting long-term financial goals. Once your script is ready, record your lessons right from your phone, either showing slides, your screen, or just your voice explaining key concepts. After recording, you can edit your class using CapCut, a free and easy to use editing app that helps you add text, music, and smooth transitions to make your videos look professional. You can join CapCut using the link in the description and start editing right away. Once your lessons are polished, upload them to Skillshare, where people around the world are eager to learn about finance and investing. Each time students watch your lessons, you will earn money while helping others building financial confidence. And with ChatGPT doing the writing, CapCut polishing your videos, and Skillshare hosting your content. So to get started with Skillshare, click the Skillshare link in the description, sign up, and start sharing your skills today. Then 5, offer social media management with ChatGPT. Now, this one is a gold mine right now, helping businesses running their social media. Almost every small business knows they need to post consistently and to stay visible online, but most don't have the time, creativity, or strategy to do it right. And that's where you come in. You can offer social media management services and use ChatGPT to handle most of the work for you. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate posts, ideas for a specific business like bakery, a gym, or a real estate agent, and then have it write engaging captions in that brand's tone of voice. You can even ask it to create hashtag lists, reply comments, and full content calendars to keep your clients' social media active and engaging. Once you've got the captions ready, hop into Canva and design matching visuals, all for free and right from your phone or laptop. Then package your service as a monthly social media management offer for small businesses. You could start small, charging around $100 to $200 per month per client, and scale up as you gain experience and results. Business love having someone managing the social media presence, and with ChatGPT and Canva, you can do it efficiently, creatively, and professionally, even as a complete beginner. And if you want to learn exactly how to start a full social media management business from scratch, check out my video on how to become a social media manager. I'll walk you step by step through setting up your business, finding clients, pricing your services, and building a portfolio. You can click the video right here on the screen to watch and start your journey today. So there you have it, 5 simple beginner-friendly ways to make money online using ChatGPT. So let's quickly recap. You can start freelance writing with ChatGPT, doing most of the heavy lifting. Build a branding and content agency helping businesses with names, slogans, and stories, or create and sell digital products for passive income. You can also make online courses or tutorials with ChatGPT as your script writer, and even offer social media management powered by AI. The beauty of all these ideas is that they cost little to nothing to start. They help you build real skills, and they can grow into full-time businesses if you stay consistent. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to start something online, this is it. Don't just watch others make money with AI, join them. Start with one idea, take action this week, and see where it leads. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment below which of these 5 methods you're going to try first. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with smart tools like ChatGPT and little persistence, you can absolutely build something that works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Ruth Finance.